Hi guys, hope everyone is blessed and doing okay. Welcome to another video guys. Today I'm gonna do a cooking video today guys. I start my prepping. I have my green onion here guys, and I have some minced garlic, and I have 2 dish with onion, white onion. I'm gonna fry up some saltfish and I'm gonna steam the cabbage. So what I'm doing now guys, and I'm gonna do some turned cornmeal. This is the cornmeal. I'm gonna do some turned cornmeal today guys. I haven't eaten that in a long while. I'm doing the carrot now. So I'm just doing the prepping first before I start cooking. So this is the carrot. I'm preparing the carrot for the cabbage. And I'm just cutting them now. This is how I do them in strips for the cabbage. Saltfish, I'm gonna scrape it off and wash it off. It's still hot. Let's rinse it off. Peppers are from my tree guys, from my kitchen garden. So they are hot. Preparing my vegetable for the cabbage. I'm gonna put some pepper in here. Don't want to put too much pepper guys, because these peppers are hot. want to put this one on it as well, guys. I want to make sure it's not salt. I want to taste first before I put. So we do not stir fry cabbage, guys. We're not gonna cover the pot. I'm just gonna keep it like this until it's steamed. So this is stir frying. We don't want it to be too soft. We want it to be crunchy. So we just leave the pot open. You have to use a steaming pot, and then we just constantly turning it until it's steamed, guys. You don't want it to be too soft. You want it to be crunchy. Almost ready. I'm gonna put a little butter first. A little butter over there. This is the finishing of my cabbage, guys. I stir fry cabbage. Just vegetable, guys. This is the finishing of my stir fry cabbage. This is my saltfish, guys. This is my saltfish. This is the water I'm waiting on to boil for the cornmeal. And we're gonna do some turned cornmeal, guys. Guys, the water is boiling. I'm gonna put some butter. Put a little butter. Butter and salt, guys. That's all I put in my turned pot. Butter and salt. I want to taste it. I don't want to do too much. See, and I'm using this fine, refined yellow cornmeal. This is what I'm using, Goya. You can use any cornmeal of your choice, guys. want to know if the cornmeal is ready, guys. You see, it left the pot. It don't make any mess in the pot. The pot is clean, so you know it's ready. It's cooked. This is cooked. I'm gonna show you guys. If it's cooked, you can just drop it out the pot. You know it's ready. I'm gonna turn on the stove. I'm gonna put it in a dish. I don't know if all of it can hold in this dish, but I'm gonna try to put it in there, guys. Look, guys, if you see you turn cornmeal and it can't drop out the pot like this, then you know it's cooked. When it drop out the pot like this, you know it's cooked. When it fall out the pot so easy, you know it is ready. If you see it sticking to the pot and it can't come out, then you know it's not ready. The pot's supposed to look like this, guys. So you know your cornmeal is cooked. So we have our cornmeal ready. When I plate it, I'll let you see, guys. First time I'm coming across this channel, guys, please give the video a like. If you don't subscribe as yet, please do so, and leave a comment and let me know what you think about my turned cornmeal, especially turned cornmeal. You know it's ready, guys. The pot's supposed to be looking like this. They just put it in the sink and kept it burning. Yes, guys, this is it, guys. My turned cornmeal. When I'm ready, I just slice it and shear it. When I'm ready to shear, I'm gonna go in my kitchen garden now, guys, go water my plants and come back. When I come back, then I'll plate it and let you see it. It's my dinner, guys. Thanks for watching up to this point, guys. And always remember to come back and watch, check out my channel, Only Miss P. I have lots and lots of cooking videos, and I have my kitchen garden. I just started my kitchen garden 1 week ago, guys. You can go over there and check me out. Also, you can check out my husband, Cash Money Promotion 345, and check him out over there, guys, and give him a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. You have lots and lots of music over there, guys. Sounds Clash. If you're a lover of music, you can go over there. You have travel vlogs. You can check him out at Cash Money Promotion 345. Thanks for watching to this point, guys. I'll come back and let you see when I plate it. Yes, guys, this is the finishing of my turned cornmeal, my cabbage, and my saltfish. This is the finishing, guys. If it's the first time you're coming across this channel, guys, please give the video a like, share with your friends, tell someone to tell a friend to tell a friend about Only Miss P on YouTube. Go over there, guys, and check me out. I have lots and lots of videos there, guys. You'll enjoy my videos. All my videos are simple and delicious, guys. And these are my thyme, guys. I just cut them from my kitchen garden. Those are my thyme. I just cut them and bring them in, guys. That's it. That's how I keep my thyme, guys. Cut them, put them there to dry, and then I use them. So thanks for watching the video, guys. I'll see you in the next one, in my next video. Thanks for watching.